Hello, welcome to lesson number 5. In lesson number 4, we have learned Sarigama and adding our song. Right now, we are going to learn lesson number 5. In lesson number 2, we have learned the names. If you remember, 6 is E, A, D, G, B, and 1. Now, to learn this, you can see on the screen, right? One circle with C, C sa D, D sa E, F sa G, G sa A sa B, C on the screen. Around the circle, you can see that. Now, when we put our finger on fret number 1, it becomes C. Fret number 2, C sa. Fret number 3, D. Fret number 4, D sa. Fret number 5, E. Fret number 5, E. Fret number 6, F. Fret number 7, F sa. Fret number 8, G. Fret number 9, G sa. Fret number 10, A. Fret number 11, A sa. Fret number 12, B. Fret number 13, C. On string number 1, if we put our finger on fret number 1, it becomes F. Fret number 2, F star. Fret number 3, G. Fret number 4, G star. Fret number 5, A. Fret number 6, A star. Fret number 7, B. Fret number 8, C. Fret number 9, C. Fret number, it goes like this. Again, I'm telling E, F, F sa, G, G sa, A sa, B, C, C sa, D, D sa, E, F sa, G, G sa, and this is last one is A. On string number 2, you can see on the screen, you can see all the strings on this screen, right? You can see all the names on fret number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 on the screen, right? You can see on the screen, string number 1 as E, string number 2 as B, string number 3 as G, 4 D, string number 5 is A, string number 6 is E. Now, after this all, we will learn Happy Birthday song on the guitar. We will learn Happy Birthday on guitar, right? In which class did you learn Happy Birthday song? You don't know, right? I'm playing from string number 1 to 6 with names. String number 1. Now we are starting with string number 6. Frets. Fret number 1, F. Fret number 2, F sub. Fret number 3, G. Fret number 6, G sub. Fret number 7, A. Fret number 8, A sub. Fret number 9, B. Fret number 10, C. Fret number 11, C sub. Fret number 12, D. Fret number 13, D sub. Fret number 14, E. Fret number 15, F flat number 16, F sharp flat number 18, F sharp, no, flat number 18, G 19, G sharp, etc. You can see on the screen, right? You can see everything on the screen. Now we will learn some finger exercise on guitar. 1, 2, 3 we are going to learn. You have learned the lesson number. Our first finger exercise is this. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, like this. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. It might be harder on string number 5 and 6, right? Five. Play, good, right? Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now you play. String number 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. String number 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 6, like that. Now we will learn some finger exercise like this. Hold your right hand with your left hand like this and rotate anti-clockwise and clockwise. Now same with left hand. Now like this. You can see all the notes on the screen. Now you can take the picture of these notes on the screen, right? Thank you.